All right, misfire. What is it and what do you do to solve it? So to put plainly, guys, a misfire is going to be an ammunition malfunction where basically you've just got a dud in the chamber. Pull the trigger, click, nothing happens. It's time to get that thing out and move on. The solution to this malfunction is pretty simple. All we're gonna do here is we're gonna find that click, nothing happens, tap, rack, get the round out, and then fire. Now, we know that's the solution, but why? Most of the malfunctions you're gonna have with your gun are going to be shooter-induced malfunctions. You did something wrong, and now we're trying to fix your problem. We go ahead and we tap that magazine because the magazine may not have been seated. So that tap, rack, and bang may not actually be solving a misfire. It may actually be solving a failure to feed because you didn't get that magazine in there and seated properly. In any case, guys, if you're gonna get a click, tap, rack, bang, it's gonna be the solution to most of your problems.